Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome to my channel. Well guys, you saw the intro, the thumbnail to this video, and I don't know what to say. This is an unboxing gone wrong. So I'm not going to do but a few seconds here because I want to do an outro so you can see the final results of this unboxing. I did contact the company, so I will talk to you briefly after this. I was so excited about this product, and I thought, I was going to do a whole design, 3 designs for you guys, but it went wrong. So again, I'll give benefit of the doubts to companies sometimes, but again, I just don't want to slam somebody's company. I really don't. If something is not right, I give them time to rectify the issue, and if they don't, then they don't, in this one though. But I'm pretty sure this seems like a pretty good company, so I'm going to show you the unboxing, and let me know your point of views at the end of the video on your comment section, and I'll let you know mine. All right, guys, let's get started on the unboxing. It's your girl. Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today guys, I have an unboxing for you guys. I got a product from Yitahome. It's supposed to be pure and easy to assemble, and this is a cute little black card that I wanted to show you guys. It's a 3-tier. I wanted to show you where I was going to put it and how I was going to, of course, I like to incorporate it in my design. But I'm kind of looking at these packages and like, okay, what's going on with this package? This looks very familiar to the Z Gallery one, remember, where it was damaged on the corner. So here it is. This is what the product looks like, and it's all in black. And I think it'll be like a really cute product that is mobile, and it just goes from room to room like a little cart. When I tried to open it, and I noticed something a little strange about this packaging. And guys, I'm all about package design and packaging. And yeah, something was going wrong here. Now look at this. Unbelievable. I'm like, okay, something's wrong. Let me try this again. And as you can see, I'm doing it fresh eyes exactly with you guys when I do an unboxing. So then the vendor can't say, well, no, you cut this, you did this. This is how I opened this up. And I'm glad everything was recorded from the beginning. So let me go on the other side. Let's get this thing completely unboxed and let's see what we have to deal with. I don't think it's going to come out okay. Well, let's see what happens when I open. Okay, no. Now look at this. Come on. You do not assemble and packaging anything like this, let alone send it to someone that's going to show their subscribers. This is just really bad packaging. Guys, this packaging should have been a lot better and more secure than this. Definitely don't like the packaging. You did get a couple scratches on here, so I just want to see how it looks. It looks like it's a cute little cart, and it comes with the instruction booklets right here. I guess a warranty card here. Okay, it's supposed to be simple and easy put together. Look how these are not even in bags. Okay, these are very out loose. These should have been bagged. So when I try to put my things together, I always try to lay things out. So, oh, here is the bag. And it was open. You see, this should have been sealed tight so none of the pieces get lost. And you can't blame that on shipping. Look at all the screws. And this is the reason why you get a lot of missing pieces. Again, I tell my vendors, good or bad or indifference, I will let them know, let my subscribers know if it's a good product. But again, I will let you know at the end of this installation. But the packaging is very, very messy, guys. Very, very messy. And this is a little unacceptable. Okay, they should have known better. So guys, yes, this is the everything. So I'm hoping all the pieces are going to be here and nothing's going to be missing. But again, I had to show you what is on my leg. You know, this packing material, and I did get some corners that are a little scratched. I'm going to bring this camera in closer so you can see. Again, look how this is a lot of debris. You know, I'm trying to wipe this stuff off, and it wipes off, but still, again, the packaging, guys, the packaging. It looks like it's a cute little product. Again, not that this is a big major, but it's very important when you purchase these things to make sure everything is nice, neat, and clean, and you don't have all these pieces of just stuff randomly here. Okay, really bad packaging. So let's make sure, hopefully, all the pieces are intact. So I wanted you to see here, this is how I lay out when I'm doing my stuff, and just to make sure everything is here. But again, look at this. Here, this edging, not good. And then these particles, just like, it's all over my leg, like over my clothes. Not quite sure what that is. Other than that, everything else looks to be intact. Nothing is broken. It's just mostly, like I said, again, the packaging on this. But again, you don't want to purchase something and then, you know, and you have this stuff here. You see? All right, so I'm gonna try to assemble this. Again, when you do assemble things, just make sure you read your manual and then make sure everything is intact. Okay, so this is everything. So here is the instruction manual that I opened. So the first thing I do here is just to make sure all the pieces are here down to the last screw. Make sure you have 16 screws. It's 4, 12, 13. I don't see 16 screws. I see 13 screws. So I'm checking here. I do have 4 of these, or I should say 5. I don't think all the pieces are here. I really don't think all the screws are here. All the pieces here look to be here. I have 2 of these. I have 1 board. I have 2 of those. I have 2 of these. 1 of this. And 1 here. So all the larger pieces here, these are intact here. This here looks like this one here, which I only see 1. The screws, I only see 16. These knobs here, I don't see 4. I see 2. I see, of course, 4 wheels. All right, so I'm gonna check the boxes, make sure nothing else is missing. So I'm coming over here, and I think I found more screws. So I found 2 more screws. That's it. That's everything. That's everything else. Yep, that's everything. So it's supposed to be 16. 4, 4, 4. This is it. So I really can't assemble this. I'm disappointed. So I will contact the company, okay, give them a benefit of the doubt, but I cannot assemble this piece. Okay guys, so that is the unboxing to this video, and you know, of course I was a little disappointed. Again, like I said, the intro, I'm not gonna like slam it, because look what happened to the Z Gallery one. Remember the Z Gallery unboxing we did, and it was not packaged correctly and it was broken? If you didn't see that video, go check that one out. So again, we still buy from Z Gallery. Sometimes companies will make a mistake in the packages. It's not quite, you know, the right thing, but as you can see, that packaging was really bad. The product itself, the product wasn't bad. It was just the packaging that damaged the product. So I can't tell you not to get it. I can't tell you to get it because I didn't get the opportunity to show you. What I wanted to do was, you see the bar card here? I wanted to design it with my bar card stuff on there so you can see how I designed it with the bar card at your office or even at your in my bedroom as a side table. So again, I reach out to them. So if they give me opportunity to send me another one and we can switch this one and I can send this one back, I will package this back up. So I have all my pieces that you see here. I will package everything back up and then just let them know just to come pick it up or whatever they want me to do with it. And then from there, I would love to show you what it looks like. Again, I thought it was going to be a cute card, something you can roll from room to room, and then design it, like the bar card style. Say if you can't afford a Z Gallery bar card, something like this would be affordable that you can use. But again, again, I'm not going to slam them, and we'll see. So again, hopefully Yitahome, I'm sorry about what happened to it, but I just hope you make right and just send me another one out so I can show my subscribers, that how they can use this product. Again, it's sometimes first impressions are lasting impressions, but again, with the Z Gallery, we judge Z Gallery, but we still shop Z Gallery. All right, guys. So okay. That's it. I can't show you any designs of this because I couldn't complete it because a lot of the hardware was missing. So it's nothing I could do. If it was one screw, that would be something else. But even the hardware to put it together, I did get this one here. But the other one, like the hexagon, I think it's called, that was even missing. And you can see that the package of the hardware was open. So there's nothing I could do. So the only thing I can do is just wait to hear from them and see if we have opportunity to do it again because it came in 2 days. So it's not going to take them long because they're out of California to send me another one. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl. I will see you at the next video. All right, guys, bye. It's Mooregirl.